My name is Shaun. I'm an electrical engineer and a property investor.
And tell me what your experience has been of the training so far.
The training's been really helpful, really insightful, really useful. Been looking at property for a number of years, and turns out there was a heck of a lot I didn't know about it. I've been really encouraged to find out all different strategies and feel far better equipped now to push into that world with all this new knowledge.
Amazing. And tell me about what was it about Samuel? What was it about this training and the team that really appealed to you?
For Samuel himself, the energy and the passion that comes off that man is incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Seeing him in that room, controlling the room, he's got everybody so engaged, and he genuinely believes in his message. So it's really easy to sort of get engaged with him and believe in that. And then I would say that the support from the network, the mentors, all the staff, and everybody in the organisation. If you need anything, there's always somebody there to help. So it's really, really good.
Amazing. So anyone who's thinking about coming down to the crash course, what do you say?
Oh, absolutely. Do it in a heartbeat. Best decision I've made in a long, long time.